Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video we will code a program for word guessing game. So let's start the video. Okay, while coding I'll be mentioning the links where the concepts have been explained in previous videos. You can review the videos so that you can get the better understanding of this code. So we are going to write a program for word guessing game. To do that, type import random. As we all know, this line imports the random library. For getting the user input, type name is equals to input of what is your name. Then print of good luck comma name. The program prompts the user to enter their name and then wishes them good luck here. Then provide the program the list of words, that is words is equals to give some words. A predefined list of words is created here. The game will randomly select one of the words for the user to guess. Then choosing a random word, type word is equals to random dot choice of words. Here random dot choice function selects a random word from the words list and assigns it to the variable word. Here words and word are different. Next, for the game setup, type print of guess the characters, then create an empty variable called guess, then turns is equals to 12. The user is instructed to guess the characters of the word. The guesses variable will keep track of the letter the user has guessed. Turns is set to 12, representing the number of incorrect guesses allowed. Then for the game loop, to repeat this make use of while loop, that is while turns greater than 0, failed is equals to 0. Then type for char in word. If char in guesses, print of char comma end is equals to double quotation. Then else print of underscore. Then failed increment to 1. Here, for each character in the chosen word, the program checks if it has been guessed. If it has, the character is displayed. If not, an underscore is displayed. The failed variable counts how many letters remained unguessed. And for the winning condition, type if failed is equals to 0, print of you win, then print of the word is, comma word, then break. Here, if failed is 0, it means the user has guessed all characters correctly and they win the game. Next to user guess input, type print of, then guess is equals to input of guess a character, then guesses increments to guess. Here the user is prompted to guess a character which is then added to the guesses string. And for checking the guess, type if guess not in word, turns minus is equals to 1 which is decrement, then print of wrong, then print of you have, comma plus tens, comma more guesses. Here, if the guessed character is not in the word, the user loses a turn and a message is displayed indicating how many turns are left. Then for losing the condition, type if turns is equals to 0, then print of you lose. Here, if the user runs out of the turns, a message is displayed indicating that they have lost the game. So this is the end of the code. Let's run the program. Now if we compile this, we get the output as it displays what is your name. Type any name. I'll type John. Then good luck John it displays. Then guess the characters. After guessing right and wrong characters, we get the output as rainbow. So the randomly selected word was rainbow. It shows you when. The word is rainbow. Here, this program is based on the basics of Python. Just to get the better understanding how the programming language Python works, we will be creating more such mini projects based on the topics learned in future. So please look forward to it. And I hope you enjoyed the Coding a Game program. If you do, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such updates.